In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact Pepperstone support. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone secure client area. Once you are signed in, go to your account dashboard. This is where you can access the available support options connected to your account. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see the chat widget there. Click on that widget to open the support menu. After it opens, select the option that says Contact Us or Contact Support, depending on what appears on your screen. Once you open the Contact section, choose the support method that works best for you. Pepperstone may offer options such as live chat, WhatsApp, email, or phone support. Select the method you prefer so you can continue with your request in the most convenient way. If you choose live chat, start a new conversation with a support representative. Type your message clearly and describe the issue or question you need help with. Keep your explanation direct so the representative can understand your concern quickly and guide you efficiently. If you prefer email support, either complete the contact form provided in the secure client area or write your message using the available email option. Include the relevant account details and a clear explanation of your inquiry. Make sure your message contains enough information for the support team to understand the problem and respond accurately. If you choose phone support, select the correct regional phone number for your location and place the call. When you speak with the support team, explain your issue clearly and be ready to provide any information they request to verify your account. No matter which method you use, follow the instructions given by the Pepperstone support team. They may ask for additional details, confirmation of account information, or specific steps to help resolve the issue. Respond carefully so the process can move forward without delay. After you have submitted your request or spoken with support, check your email and your secure client area for any follow-up updates. In some cases, the team may send additional instructions, confirmation messages, or status updates related to your inquiry. Reviewing those messages will help you stay informed until the issue is fully resolved. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.